start the new season. Alongside Grant Hill and Steve Smith, Allie LaForce, our reporter, I'm Brian Anderson.
Coaches loathe empty possessions. You got to be able to hit the easy ones.
Outside Sexton. For teams that were close to a title last year, Smitty, I'm sure opening night couldn't come fast enough.
You're totally right, B.A. Unfinished business at hand, and they are chomping at the bit to get the season going. Unfortunately, in this league, you have only one winner.
Marking it outside. No good with the triple. Here's Grant. Uneasy. Two on the layup.
You know, there's some power to Jeremy's game now. He's become hard to knock off balance.
To the inside. Okoro. Basket counts.
Nice way to start the game. That's where you'd like to get your shots from.
Pass to Bay. Down low. Here's Olynyk. The shake. And he lays it up and in.
Attacking the heart of that defense. I like this from Olynyk, not just hanging out on the perimeter.
They double him with Olynyk. Here's Okoro. And stolen by Bay. Grant, left side. To the wing on the left. From deep. Sinks it. What range from downtown. Grant's got 5 now.
Bang, bang. Grant does a great job of transitioning from the catch into his shooting motion.
Allen in the high post. Marketed from long range. Cleveland the rebound. Outside for Sexton. 6 to shoot. Cleveland needs to get off a shot. To the left side wing. Offensive board. Out to Garland. And there's the foul. It's going to belong to Darius Garland. That's his first foul of the game.
I love great defense. Just quick to establish his feet, and he takes the hit.
And just under 2.5 minutes elapsed here in the first. When he first came into the NBA, Grant, Darius Garland was a little bit of a mystery. He only played 5 games in college because of an injury, but it didn't stop the Cavs from taking him with the 5th pick overall in 2019.
And that's how obvious his talent was. It was clear his offensive skill set could translate to the NBA. And when you've got a guy who can shoot over the defense or can get into the lane and finish, you can't pass him up, no matter how many games he played in college.
To the middle. Here's Allen. Lays it up and in off the pretty assist.
With a soft touch around the basket, when Allen gets good looks inside, he's able to capitalize.
Hey, no good. The Cavs trailing. And here's the fast break. From 17. Marketed outside. Pass to Garland. Second chance shot. And the layup is good.
Just taking it right to the rim, and no one was there to greet him.
Wow, that's a defensive breakdown. Can't do that against good scores.
Here's Cunningham. Now quiet so far offensively, searching for his first points of the game. To the right side. Here's Magruder. Oh, and there's the whistle on the shot. So 2 free throws for him coming up.
That's his first personal foul.
They'll pin that one on Jared Allen.
The defense there doing whatever they can to protect the rim.
Sadiq Bey, 2 shots.
And he sinks the second. 1:10 left to play in the first quarter. Out to the wing. To the paint. Pass to Okoro. Now here's Garland. Now here's Allen. Out to Garland. Tries again. Some solid defense from Hayes. Grant, they could attempt a 2-for-1 here.
They could. The key here is a good look.
And here's Grant. 7 points in the game. Inside. Here's Stewart. On the wing, Bay. There's the triple. Nails it from beyond the arc. 23 seconds left in the first quarter of the game. Up top, Allen. Pass to Sexton. Back to Allen. To the wing, right side. Shoots over Stewart. And Allen gets it to go.
Allen! Isaac Okoro with the assist.
Hayes with it. Oh, got it off in time, but it's no good.
With the score.
And that concludes the first quarter of play. The Pistons on top.
All right.
They lead by 5.
Onto the court.
And quarter
Make
number.
it loud for your powerhouse dance team. All right, look who's coming on.
If you're just joining us, we played through 1 quarter in this one.
Powerhouse dance team.
And some stats here, guys. The scoring breakdown for Detroit.
Their passing has been excellent here early. A lot of their baskets coming off an assist. That should set a great tone for the rest of the game.
One thing I've also noticed is how quick their hands have been tonight. Thanks to that, they've gotten a lot of points off turnovers.
Clock at 4. Here's Garland. Detroit with a rebound.
And the shooter had very little space on that attempt.
You know, we always talk about this. Just changing the shot can be just as effective as blocking it, even though it's less spectacular.
Grant outside. From outside, off the mark. Sexton goes in. Tipped.
Nice defensive reflexes from Jeremy Grant, able to get in there and throw off that shot.
Lee on the wing. To the middle. Here's Stewart. The shot won't fall. So Cleveland will take it the other way. At the conclusion of this one, they're off to Memphis, where they'll face the Grizzlies. And that'll be their only game on the road before heading back home. Here's Hayes. Ooh, and he took a hard foul on the shot. So he'll head to the line to shoot a pair. That one's on Darius Garland.
This is what scouts love about Killian Hayes. He has the size and the wherewithal to attack the defense inside.
The first free throw is good. Well, you hear about the importance of confidence. You think that was something you always had as a player, Grant, or did you have to build that up?
Well, I mean, success ultimately does breed confidence. And I had success, fortunately, at a young age. So you have to understand you have to always attack and you always have to believe in yourself no matter what the situation.
Here's Mobley. Pass to Okoro. Left side Rubio. Fires from deep. Rebounded by Lyles. The Pistons leading. Here's Hayes. That one goes. Now he's 1 for 2.
The defender trying to knock Hayes off his rhythm, but he is a well-built kid who easily absorbs contact.
To the inside. Here's Allen. Got a hand on it. Here's Lee. Well, he hasn't scored yet, but I'm sure that'll change. Back to Diallo. Pass to Olynyk. Played it in with a nice touch off the window. And the Pistons lead by 10.
I thought Olynyk got hit on the release, but at his size, he just absorbed it.
teams making substitutions here. And we're now a little over 2.5 minutes into the second. Pass to Osman. Back to Rubio. 5 on the clock. Not going to go that time. And Detroit will go the other way with it. And that's a foul called on Ricky Rubio. That's his first foul. Quarter number 2 and around 3 minutes gone by. Pass to Lyles. That three's off the mark.
And he probably thought he was going to bury that one.
Here's Wendler to the paint. Here's Love. Oh, here's Love with the jam.
The plus wingspan of Love on full display right there.
Rubio with a steal. And now the Cavaliers on the break. Pass to Wendler. Back to Rubio. For 3. Count it. And that shot gets him in the books. He's 1 for 3.
This is still Rubio's next step. In this day and age, to be successful, your guard has to be a threat from distance.
Hey, shot's good.
Defensively, they've got to get more bodies in the paint. That's 3 straight field goals from below the free throw line.
Time now to hear from our reporter, Allie LaForce.
Hey, Brian. Well, there's an annual survey of NBA executives. Going into last season, the Pistons were selected for worst offseason. But with the promise of their young players, guys, some optimism that the rebuild in the Motor City is off to a strong start.
Physical, defensive-minded, Allie. That's Detroit basketball, isn't it? Love, that's good.
Even though he takes a lot of threes these days, Kevin Love's foundation is to score inside.
Down low. Lyles.
Assisted by.
Oh, not the defensive effort they need to cut into the lead.
Boy, good call. You have to at least try to protect the rim.
Also, if you can't get stops at this point, it really doesn't matter what you do at the offensive end.
Diallo, no good. The Cavs trailing.
You'd like to let the clock run and take the final shot.
Yes, you do, but it's a dilemma. If you get a great look earlier in the clock, do you take it?
Here's Lyles. And there's the slam dunk to finish it off.
Watching Hayes, he keeps his eyes up, always looking for a better shot, either for himself or his teammates.
Your Cavaliers, 15. The Pistons, 24.
And so it's the Detroit Pistons with a 9-point cushion at the end of the quarter. And their defense has stood out, wreaking havoc for the opposition. We'll be right back after this word. And we hope you've enjoyed the broadcast thus far. We're halfway through the game. Now Rubio. Pass to Osman. Right side, Love. Some solid defense from Stewart.
I mean, you won't see this too often. Getting denied at the rim. He's likely to remember that one.
Both teams will make substitutions. And here's Detroit. Pass to Magruder. Here's Cunningham. Shot is up. And the rebound goes to the Cavaliers.
You know, Cade Cunningham has proven he can get it done on offense. Now check this out. Back in college, he racked up 13 points in just 91 seconds of play.
Count it. Allen's got his third basket on the night right there.
That's a nice read. The value of keeping your eyes up.
Oh, excellent way to pad the lead.
Yeah, especially when it's your one throwing it down like that.
It sends a message that we're going to be aggressive no matter who's taking the shot.
All right, fans, that was the Powerhouse Dance Team. Make some noise.
Second half of basketball, just over a minute played so far. Outside Sexton. And so he draws the foul, headed to the line to shoot a pair.
That's his first personal foul.
When thinking about Colin Sexton, the first thing that comes to mind is his
At the line
burst.
for your
I mean, his
Cavaliers.
acceleration is just tremendous. He can go from 0 to 60 like a race car.
You know, Grant, with Sexton, it's not just that he has speed. He actually knows how to use that speed as a weapon.
Yeah, he really does. I mean, defenders have to play out on him because of his three-point ability. So he'll wait to catch them flat-footed, then use his burst to blow by them, getting into the teeth of the defense and making plays.
Jeremy Grant.
And Grant gets it to go.
Very little resistance around the rim right now. That's the 5th straight bucket they've given up in the paint.
Here's Garland. And Bay pulls it down. The Pistons leading. And now around 2 minutes going by in this half. Pass to Olynyk. Grant, right side.
Jeremy Grant.
Hey, in 6 attempts, he's made 5. Talk about efficiency.
That's 10 straight points they've given up in the painted area.
Now Sexton. Back to Garland. Marketing outside. Outside Garland. Clock at 6. Here's Marketing. The 11-footer. No good. A bit long that time. Well, we're into the third quarter. Just over 2.5 minutes played. And here are the Cavaliers now. They trail by 11. And it's Allen who slams it home.
Colin Sexton.
Dynamic finish, then decides to hang out a little for good measure.
Yep, that's the exclamation point right there.
2 minutes remaining in the
It's
third.
good.
2 minutes.
Cunningham's got 4 points now in the quarter.
Cunningham.
Rock solid screen right there. The defender got completely lost.
Hey, if you're not going to fight over, you're essentially giving the shooter the look he wants.
Sexton goes in. Got an advantage there off the pick and took it right in.
That's a well-timed, well-coordinated play. Comes right off the pick for the lay-in.
That's his
And the
second
Pistons making a
personal
change
foul.
here. Sexton, no good on the free throw. A minute 35 left to play in the third. And here's Grant from the arc. That shot off the mark. And it's Cleveland the other way. And it's Sexton on the take. And he goes strong with the one-handed jam.
Darius Garland.
And
with
what
the
an
assist.
aggressive move to the rim. He's really trying to fire up his teammates right now.
Boy, it's not hard to feel inspired after a teammate makes that kind of finish.
The problem is your opponent is making big plays as well. I'll be curious to see the response.
Lets it fly. And that one hits the back iron.
Decent look from mid-range, but there may have been a better option for them in that set.
Pass to Stewart. Grant outside. Beyond the arc. He can't get that one to fall.
The perimeter game has failed him thus far. Hit one from range in the first half, but nothing since.
Garland with the ball. Here's Okoro. Outside Garland. They double him with Bay. Back to Allen. And stolen by Stewart. Grant in the post. Pass to Stewart. Outside for Grant. It could go. No good. Misses at the buzzer. And so it's the Detroit Pistons with a 9-point cushion at the end of the quarter. Getting lots of great...
Come on and get loud for your powerhouse dance team.
With 3 quarters behind us, let's see what this fourth period holds in store.
And let's hear it.
Detroit with the ball. Here's Lee. Pass to Cunningham. To the inside. Just 3 to shoot. And there's the drive. Soft touch off the glass.
Assist from.
And the Pistons lead by 11.
He can do incredible things. He can also help you win by simply being reliable.
And rejected. Grant left side. From deep 3-point range. Cavaliers with the rebound. Now here's Sexton. To the middle. Pass to Okoro. Marketed from long range. Up again. It's good on the putback.
So much sharper, so much more efficient with his shot this half. Just take it what the defense allows.
Wing shot on the way. Misses off the left iron.
Ooh, the defense gets away with a late rotation. That's a shot he normally makes.
Outside Garland. From downtown. And Bay pulls it down.
I know he's on a cold streak, but he can't let that get in his head.
And his rhythm, it's been way off. The goal now might be to get him something easy at the rim so he can just see the ball go in through the net, and that helps.
Pass to Osman. And here's Love. Stewart defends. And Stewart over to help. Here's Osman. They get the rebound. Mobley. Oh, a rim-rattling two-handed jam.
Just a big play at this juncture of the game. Second chance points could be the key for them.
Impressive effort right there. That's what they need to mount a comeback. Back to Rubio. Pass to Windler. That's in there. Rubio with the assist. And now it's just a 4-point Detroit lead.
Crossing up the defense, and that's what you expect from Rubio. Terrific vision.
To the paint. Here's Grant. And he got the whistle on the way up. So he'll be headed to the line for a pair. It's going to be on Kevin Love. That one falls for Grant.
You know, entering the league, Jeremy Grant was athletic, had top-notch physical tools, and now he has the skills to go with it.
Making shots at the line. You need a good routine, and he certainly has one.
Inside. Here's Mobley. Blocked! And that's out of bounds. It was last touched by Grant.
Pistons substitution.
Here's Allen. Outside Garland. 4 on the clock. Back to Allen. And it's Allen who slams it home.
I just love the aggressive finish.
I'm thinking he's sending a strong message with that jam.
2 minutes.
Down low. Pass to Cunningham. The three. And again, the Pistons missing. The Cavs trailing. Doubled by Jackson. Outside Garland. .133 left in the fourth quarter. Oh, it's blocked by Jackson. And it's going to be out of bounds. The Cavs will retain possession. A minute 29 left in the fourth. Just 5 on the clock. Garland can't connect from short range.
Even though he missed it, this is the exact play your offense is designed to produce.
An aggressive move to a strong finish.
He is just unwilling to settle. He gets right to the rim and makes sure they come away with points.
Pass to Markkanen. Takes a three. He's off on that one. And Detroit will go the other way with it. 56 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Over to the left wing. Here's Grant. Oh, Grant throws it down.
Gotta love how they've just maintained their intensity, even when they're this far up.
They don't want to leave no chance for a comeback. Just focus on playing the right way.
Pass to Graham.